morning, grade 10. So we are doing word problems on quadratic equations, set 2.5, question 8. Now listen to the question very carefully. Pintu takes 6 days more than those of Nishu to complete certain work. So who is taking more days? Pintu is taking more days. So for example, if I say days taken by Nishu to complete one complete work is X days. Saying that one work is completed by Pintu, he needs 6 more days, so it will be X plus 6 days. So to complete one work, Nishu takes X days and Pintu takes X plus 6 days. Up till here, is it clear? Now, we are going to find how much part of work is done by Nishu in one day. That will be 1 upon X. Now, how this is coming, you understand. See now, for example, this is, I'll explain here. This is work and this is days. Alright? Now, to complete one work, Nishu is taking how many days? X days. Alright? Now, work done by Nishu in one day. I want to find in one day how much work is done by Nishu. I am repeating again. To do some certain one work, Nishu is taking X days. This is clear. This is complete work, so I am writing it as one work. Now, how much part of the work will be done in one day? So, in one day, let us calculate how much part of the work will be done. So, how we will do? 1 into 1 will be equal to question mark into X. We want to find question mark. So, how much part of the work will be done in one day? It will be 1 into 1 is 1 and this X will be moved this side. So, 1 upon X part of work will be done in one day. So, I have written here 1 upon X work will be done by Nishu in one day. Is it clear? One more example I will give you. For example, if I am making 10 chocolates in say 5 days. Okay? If I am making 10 chocolates in 5 days. So in one day how much chocolates will be made by me? So it is nothing but you will cross multiply this and you will write 10 upon 5. That means in 2 days I will make 1 chocolate. Yes or no? So to find this over here, answer you are getting 2 because it is easy, you can tell me orally. If 5 days I am making 10 chocolates, so in one day I will be making 2 chocolates. No. How you find out this 2? You are dividing this by this. 10 upon 5. So here was 1 and here was X. So how much work is done in one day? How much work is done in one day? You divide this by this, no? So it is 1 by 5. Oh, sorry, 1 by X now over here. Similarly, in case of Nishu, here it is X plus 6. So amount of work done by Pintu because he is taking more than 6 days more than Nishu. So amount of work done by Pintu in one day will be 1 upon X. Similarly, is it clear everyone? Because here there is difference in the days. If it is X, it is 1 upon X. If it is X plus 6, it will be 1 upon X plus 6. So now, what we have with us is, see now, what we have with us is, work done by Nishu in one day is 1 upon X. Alright. Okay, so what we have now? Work done by Nishu in one day is 1 upon X. And work done by Pintu in one day is 1 upon X plus 6. Now, total work done in one day together means both of them. So, together Nishu and Pintu, how much work they are completing in one day? This is part of work done by Nishu and this is part of work done by Pintu. So, how much it will be? 1 upon X plus 1 upon X plus 6. Let us calculate this. It comes out to be, so if we cross multiply, X into 1 will be X, X plus 6 into 1 is X plus 6 and this 2 will be multiplied. So what we get over here is, which is equal to X plus X is 2X plus 6 upon, you get X square plus 6. Now what is this? We got total work done by them in one day. Are you understanding me? So again see now, what we will have 2 parts. One is, so I am writing it that side. I need to explain to you. So this I am writing, this answer comes out to be 2x plus 6 upon x square plus 6x. Again, what is this? This is total work done by both of them in one day. So part of work I should say done by them, both of them in one day. Now again see work and you have days. Okay, work done together. Now work done together. So work done together in one day. In one day how much work they are doing? 2x plus 6 upon x square plus 6x. This amount of work is done in one day. Okay, so this is the part of work done. Now we have to find how much time they will require to complete the whole work. Whole work means 1. Are you understanding me? Because this time given by them is 4. So we can equate whatever answer is coming to 4. I am repeating again. See now. Work done together is this much. In how much time? In one day. So this is a part of work done in one day by both of them. So to complete this work, that is to do this one work completely. This is only part. No, this is part. To complete this work, that is one work, how much days they are going to take. So again we will cross multiply these two and what we will get? 1 into 1 is 1. So I am working it out over here. 1 into 1 will be equal to question mark into 2x plus 6 upon x square plus 6x. I want to find out question mark. 1 into 1 will be 1 and here is question mark. If I shift it over here, it will be upside down. So this will be 1 into x square plus 6x upon 2x plus 6. This will come into the reciprocal now. Numerator will be denominator and denominator will become numerator. Will be equal to question mark. And what is question mark? Number of days required to complete one work together. And how much is our question mark? It is given as 4. Okay. So what I am writing? I am just pausing the video. Let me erase the upside. Okay. Now here we go students. So we have found out this much amount of work, this much amount of days are required, this much amount of days are required to complete one work which is given to them together. Okay. So number of days required to complete one work together. To complete that work, how many days are required? X square plus 6x upon 2x plus 6. But in your problem, number of days required to complete one work together is given as 4. 4 days are required. And we have found out here this many days are required. So 4 will be equal to this. So I am equating this two. Alright. So I have x square plus 6x upon 2x plus 6 is equal to 4. Pause the video, listen to it many times till you understand and write down the steps very carefully. Now let us solve. Let us solve this equation. So what we have now is, we have x square plus 6x is equal to 4 into 2x plus 6. Alright. So let me complete the steps. So after solving, I am multiplying this over here. We get x square plus 6x is equal to 4 into 2x plus 6. You get x square plus 6x is equal to 8x plus 24. This 2 shifted over here, that is left hand side. Both become minus. Solving this 2 plus 6x minus 8x, we get x square minus 2x minus 24 is equal to 0. Now here we get the quadratic equation. Now you can solve. Now tell me two numbers whose product is minus 24x square and whose subtraction is minus 2x. Obviously numbers are minus 8x and plus 6x. So let us put it and solve the equation. Please pause the video because I am going to erase this part and then go ahead. Alright, pause the video and take down all the steps. Yeah. Coming back again students, I am sorry there was a mistake. The question asked was, the product should be minus 24x square and subtraction should be minus 2x, and therefore numbers are minus 6x and plus 4x. 6 4s are 24. By mistake I told 8 over here and I wrote also. So please check that it is minus 6x plus 4x. So 6 4s are minus 24 and if you add this, your answer is minus 2x. Okay, coming back now, we have x square minus 2x minus 24 is equal to 0. So we get minus 6x plus 4x minus 24. These two forming a pair, x minus 6. These two forming a pair, plus 4 out, common is x minus 6. X minus 6 taken common, what remains is x plus 4 is equal to 0. So either x minus 6 will be 0 or x plus 6 will be 0. And therefore x will be plus 6 or x will be equal to minus 6. Now what was asked? How many days would each take to complete the work? So we have taken, let the days taken by Nishu is equal to x. So Nishu, days can be negative. So minus 4 is not accepted. Okay, so you write days cannot be negative. Therefore, Nishu takes 6 days because x, we have found x as 6 and x we have supposed that. And how much Pintu is going to take? Pintu is going to take x plus 6 days. So what we have? So days taken by Pintu. So days taken to complete the same work individually by Pintu is x plus 6, which is equal to 6 plus 6, which is equal to 12 days. I hope it is clear. Alright. Please listen to it as many times as you feel till your concept is clear. Okay. Let's stop here, students. Thank you.